It's Yuto and Chris right here, and we're gonna be doing the cinnamon challenge. It's my first time too.
Yeah, it sucks for sure. I've done this quite a while. It stings like a bitch.
It's not that much because it's my first time, so I'm kind of.
Plus, you have more.
3,
Oh wait.
2.
I'm kind of nervous.
3.
Shut the fuck up. Okay, ready? Go.
You ain't even down.
When you swallow it, it hurts, huh?
Spit it out. I want to see someone do that little.
I saw Chris.
Dude, Chris is like a pro at this now. He's like chewing on it. Oh, Chris is done.
Face is getting red. Yuto's gonna win. I can see his face. He's not even. Look at Chris. Look at Chris. You can see Chris.
I did it. I swallowed
Let me
it.
see
It
it.
tastes terrible.
What?
It tastes terrible.
Oh, I see that come out.
I did it. Dude, that tastes terrible. Oh.
Oh, look that. Let me see that.
It tastes terrible. This is the first
Cross
time
it out.
Spit that out.
You have to try to swallow it.
It's spicy. Aha.
That tastes terrible when you swallow it. And you
We're done.